Hey, kids! Look at this cute little fur ball. He's tiny, he's fluffy, and his name is Luli. But wait a second. Why are Luli's cheeks so puffy? Did he eat a whole sandwich? Nope! He hid food in there! Yep, hamsters have special cheek pouches, like teeny tiny food bags on their face. They can stuff food way back, all the way behind their ears. Seeds, nuts, little fruits, even a whole pea. So, whenever Luli finds something yummy, he doesn't gobble it up. He shoves it in his cheeks like a secret snack storage. Some hamsters can fit so much food. If it all fell out, you could throw a tiny hamster party. Can you believe it? One little fluff ball holding a whole party's worth of snacks. One day, Luli stuffed in so much food, his mouth couldn't even talk. He went, which means, take me home. Now it's your turn. If you had magic hamster cheeks like Luli, what would you hide in them? Candy? A cookie? Your favorite toy? Tell your friend right now. Luli's listening.